Mind blown. If this isn't the coolest speaker I've ever seen, I don't know what is. So let's just press play. You can hear that. Let's turn on the speaker. Ready? Ready for this? Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. I've never seen anything like that. No wires, no Bluetooth connection. You literally just set your phone on top of the speaker and watch it play louder. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. God, thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. You want this induction speaker. You can pick this up out of the orange shopping cart below.